Hey everybody, JP Hunt from InkSoft, and it is Feature Friday. Now, of course, on Feature Friday, we announce new features available in InkSoft. Now, in this feature, this was a requested new feature from the InkSoft community, and this is the ability to allow your shoppers to enable a default shipping address. Now, of course, InkSoft has a very powerful end user login portal where your clients have the option of creating a free account. And there they can manage all of their orders and do things like reprint receipts, see their order status, reorder. And if they've created custom artwork using InkSoft Online Designer, there, of course, they can access any saved artwork and, of course, manage their profile and finally their address book. Now, of course, an address book allows a consumer to create different shipping addresses and locations and choose to route orders, to those different locations. Now notice here in this example, I have two addresses and one is marked as default. So when your clients create a new address as part of their address book, they have the option at the very bottom left to set as my default address. So if I'm commonly reordering, and think of those programs like employee merch programs and corporate attire and things of that nature, and when a company has multiple locations and a marketing manager or HR person is trying to route orders to those unique locations, this certainly helps them to ensure that they're routing products properly. Now, with that said, I have the ability to always edit, and I can turn off the option that says set as my default if I want to change that later. But let's take a look at the shopping cart and show you how this action really applies when customers are checking out and making a purchase. All right, so let's go ahead and navigate into that checkout experience and we'll show you where default addresses display. All right, so what I'm gonna do now that I'm logged in, I'll go ahead and click continue to get to the delivery stage of the checkout process. And you can see here, delivery, ship my order. And you'll notice here there are two different addresses to select from. Now the default address is pre-selected, but as a consumer or as a shopper, I have the ability to choose any of the addresses that are in my address book, and I can even create an ad hoc address by clicking the Use Another Address function here. So this has been a quick video overview to share with you how your customers are now empowered to manage their default shipping address from their InkSoft account.